In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view grid lines in Canva. If you've ever struggled to line up text, photos, or design elements perfectly in Canva, grid lines are going to make your life a lot easier. They act like an invisible structure on your canvas, helping you keep everything neat, balanced, and consistent. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find them, how to turn them on, and how to customize them so they work for your specific design. First, open the Canva design you want to work on. This can be anything: a social media post, a presentation slide, a poster, or any other format. Once your design is open, make sure you're in the main editor view, where you can see your canvas in the center and the menus around it. Now, look toward the top of the screen at the toolbar that runs horizontally across the editor. Focus on the left side of that top toolbar. You'll see an option labeled File. Go ahead and click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with a few different options. In this menu, move your mouse to hover over the Settings option. Don't click yet, just hover. When you hover over Settings, you'll see more options appear to the right. From those options, select Add Guides. This is where you can turn on and customize the grid lines for your design. Once you've selected Add Guides, Canva will offer several ready-made grid layouts. You can pick 12 columns, 6 columns, or a simple 3x3 grid. These presets are great if you want a quick structure without thinking too much about the details. For example, a 3x3 grid is perfect for basic composition, while 12 columns are useful for more detailed layouts or web-style designs. If you want more control, choose the Custom option. Here you can type in the exact number of columns and rows you need, as well as adjust the gap between them and the margins around the edges of your canvas. This is especially handy if you're following a specific brand layout or working with a design system that has defined spacing. After you've set your columns, rows, gaps, and margins the way you like, click Add Guides. The grid lines will now appear on your canvas as faint guidelines. They won't be visible in your final download, but they'll be there to help you align everything precisely while you design.